a DNA test because I'm very dorky in a sense, and I want to know all about where I came from and genealogy. And so I told my mom, I was like, I'm going to do this DNA test, and oh my gosh, it's going to be so fascinating, and we're going to find out if we're English or we're German.
Woo!
And she stared at me and she said, oh no, she did not do that. And I was like, it's so cool. There's like a pie chart. There's this pie chart. How much ethnicity you have. So I was like, it's going to be fine. But in case it's not, if you have any skeletons in your closet, you should tell me now. And it was silence. So I was sitting in church, 6 to 8 weeks later, and I got a notification on my phone. And it was like, your results are in.
Woo!
And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what the story was about. I couldn't even tell you what we were discussing. I was just like, you gotta go home, you gotta go home. My husband was at work, and I opened it up, and it was like, do you want to know your DNA relatives? And I was like, oh, well, duh.
Yeah.
It's going to be so cool to see all my cousins and everybody that I know, we're actually like going to see each other on this like computer thing. And then I had 6 half siblings that I didn't know anybody that I was related to.